Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is really exciting because I'm picking up at Blizzard Beach for merch at the beach house. I'm very excited because the costume is super cute, but I'm very nervous just because it's a new location, new thing for me, so I'm very nervous about it. So let's go. Alright, so I made it here. I'm very nervous. I am in cast parking right now, so I see like what I'm supposed to do. I'm just nervous because I've never done it before and I hope all goes well. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I start in 20 minutes, but I think I'm gonna leave, or I start in 40 minutes. I'm very early because I just did not know like what to do, and like when I first came in here it said stay in the bus lane and go left, and I was just like, I went right, and I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna sit down on my steps for like a quick second, just kind of explain a little bit. So Blizzard Beach was really fun. The first 3 hours went by really quick. For probably about an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours, I was outside handing out maps, saying hi to people, and from like 9:30 to 10:30, the lifeguards and slide apps were out there dancing too, saying hi to people, so that was really fun. And then I got moved to register, which like moved time by really quickly. And then I had my break and I came back out and just kind of like walked the floor. And then I'm guessing the leader there, she was like, hey, do you want an ER? Like, do you want to leave? Honestly, I kind of didn't, just because I kind of wanted the hours, but she was like, we're trying to get people pushed up. So I was like, well, I don't want to hold someone else back for not getting an ER. So I was like, sure, I'll leave at 1:30. So I got 4.5 hours of work, but I really loved it. I love the costume. I think that the costume is super cute. So yeah, it was really fun. If you guys are merchandise, highly recommend picking up other places. If you're like me and you get nervous very easily and anxious very easily, it's a little scary at times, but it's definitely worth it. What else I loved was the leaders took the time to like get to know me. Like every time they addressed me, they're like, how are you doing, Maddie? Like, Maddie, do you want a ER? They said my name, which I really appreciated, because you know some people don't do that. So I like the time that they took. I like that they took the time to do that. I am going to go. Oh, that is a big dragonfly. I'm gonna go to the mail. So I'm back from the mailbox and I'm just relaxing in bed until Abby and I go to studios. But I got a letter from Charlie and I'm really excited to read it. I'm probably gonna cry, so if I have teary eyes, that's why. Yep, I cried. That was her senior send-off letter, so I didn't get to go to that because I'm here. And it's hard because when you're in a sorority, you have a big. When your big's leaving, that's so hard because they're not going to be around at school anymore. And man, I just love Charlie so much. Like, it sucks, but I know she's going to do amazing and great things. So thank you so much, Charlie, for the letter. I really appreciate it. I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there. I really wish I could. But yeah. Hello, I'm back with Miss Abby, and we are going to Hollywood Studios. Oh my gosh, my hat looks so big, but it's okay because like shade my face. We have a fast pass now for.
No, we don't. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Oh, no, we have it. We got it. I got it again.
Yes, we do. Change. No, yes. For Indiana Jones. So that's fun. Fun fact about myself that I mentioned before in another video. Junior year of high school, I performed on the Indiana Jones stage for UDA. So I got a attachment. Not attachment. I don't know what I'm saying. I have been on that stage before, so I want to be an extra. Yeah.
There's like no
so random.
Of the Jedi. Yes. Great is your bravery and skill, young one. Well, you have done indeed.
I like his beard.
But remember,
And his
stay
hair.
true.
My type
Stick
is
to your
like
path.
dirty.
Remain strong. And the force.
I could never know if they say
First time on the program. So we're
Seeing Indiana Jones.
Oh, I'm very, very oily.
Look at my eye.
Crazy eye. You got your strawberry lemonade, and we both got Sprites.
Hell yeah.
Disney's just taking our money.
Oh, for real.
It's fine.
My paycheck was $9.
That's literally gonna be mine after my 4-day off week. She's taking a pic.
Who here is singing into? Whoa, all the enthusiasm! I love it. Go ahead and stay where I sit. There you go, excellent. But actually, I'm gonna have you on the end. There's too much energy going on when you're next to each other.
Stand up.
Need to break that up a little bit.
Oh no.
Awesome.
Oh darn, someone else got picked.
So.
Stand up.
You got this. No, it's all you. No, you got this. It's all you. I believe in you. If you forget, just improvise. Look at this. Alright, here we go. And a boom cha, boom cha, cha cha.
That's good. See that it stays that way. Let's go. Wait here. Really? We'll take that under advisement.
Guys, I got arrested by a stormtrooper. I'm nervous, Abby. I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
But I'm excited.
Too.
But he's intimidating.
I'm
Always makes me
nervous.
laugh.
That's like my legit dad.
Who is it? Young Anakin?
Oh no, it's like Anakin before he
Goes bad.
turns into Darth Vader. No, he's bad here.
Yes.
He's bad already. He's trying to save his love of his life.
Doesn't he kill her though?
He doesn't mean to.
So we met Kylo into BB-8 and that was really fun. And now
Leia looks so good. This is the actual daddy.
yeah, we match.
This is
That's what?
it's another one.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I have a Star Wars phone case.
You need another one.
Did you like the way I was gonna say something.
What?
I'm not gonna say it.
Not on the vlog. You cannot even see Jimmy's backyard. That's okay.
I was like, can I get in? I'm like, ignorance.
So now we're at Toy Story Mania because Abby got us a fast
2 minutes
pass,
ago.
which is perfect. And then we got a fast pass for Fantasmic. Look, wild.
Wild.
Because you're wild? Me? She's not wild. Oh my god, there's no line right now. It said it was a... I believe it, but I don't. 'Cause this has no line.
No, I don't believe that it's a 55-minute wait because this is like a 50-minute wait. If you're here.
There's no... Okay, there's a line, but it doesn't start till back here.
Yeah.
Alright, who do we think is gonna win? Me or Abby? Me. Comment down below. Her personally, I think Abby's gonna win because she's competitive.
I am competitive. It's just how I was raised.
I just think she's gonna win. I'm
I
not
also
very good at
love
these.
this ride. I always
too.
go on it.
All right.
It's easier to win if you're in a cart by yourself,
Yeah.
because then you can get all of them.
Yeah. All right. We'll see after. Update, everybody. To all who
20
voted
minutes.
for me to win, you are wrong. You have been disappointed. I'm sorry. Abby won because she is far superior than me. We are in the coaster area. See if Mason's working outside. Yeah, we all love Mason. Stop believing. Okay, there's also like no line though. Okay, so we're at coaster and we're like, hey, do you know where Mason's working today? And Emily goes, yeah, she's at Unload. But you guys can come because I know who you are. Because I'm friends with Mason and we hang out, and I hung out with her one time with Mason. I was like, oh, thank you.
That's so funny.
So I'm super excited because we're gonna go see our girl Mason. Sorry, I just ran into you. Hype. I am hype.
I love coaster.
Now we don't have to do the Lightning McQueen show. We'll just do coaster and then Fantasmic tonight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. No Mason. No Mason at the Unload, so we're gonna check the front real quick before Fantasmic. What?
I said I feel prank.com.
I know, but at least we got on.
We just rode the ride looking for you.
I was at Unload. I know, that's what Emily said. She's like, I recognize you, so you can go. I really love Mickey. Oh, he's some cheese. Oh, now he is, but he didn't swing over. He didn't swing over. Alright, so we're out of Fantasmic.
It was amazing.
It was good. We got soaked because we were in the second row, and it was really windy.
And there's bugs.
And we think there's cockroaches.
I want to believe
Okay, my
that they're
hat's
just
down.
lizards.
She wants to
Just
believe they're lizards, but like
I know they weren't.
they weren't.
Or
They were-
frogs.
I don't think they were frogs.
Something
they were
that's
like
not a cockroach.
crawling. They were like cockroaches, and I got really paranoid.
Let
so
me
I put
see
my,
the camera.
So I got my feet
Hi
up.
vlog, listen to my rant. Peter Pan is just so underappreciated. I just saw the lounge fly bag and I'm vexed to no end because Wendy's cut off. Like, they give us no Peter Pan merch. He's so underappreciated. His ride has a super long wait for no reason, and there's no merch. Everything's about Tink, and he's just underappreciated. I'm mad about the lounge fly bag because if I'm gonna spend that, yeah, my cat's name is Tink and Pixie, okay, but because I love Peter Pan, but if he's just underappreciated, like if they're gonna make a bag and I'm gonna pay so much money for it, Wendy better not be cut off. That's all I gotta say. I got my Peter Pan magic band and I'm vexed about it. So back to Maddie.
Thank you for coming to her TED Talk.
My TED Talk. I'm vexed.
We're at Freddy's on a date, kind of nervous.
Alright guys, as I climb my 2 flights of stairs to get up, I'm going to end the video here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you thought it was really fun, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my next daily vlog. Bye.